Hi, it's Jackie from Cardcore Gorgeous. Today I'm going to show you part one, how to mix your HCG. I'm going to show you how to put 10 milliliters of this bacteriostatic water into this little empty vial. Okay, that's step one. Okay, we're going to take this, the HCG box. It's got a little thing. There's your vial. Throw this all away. Okay? Now we want to take the caps off. Anything that has a cap, this has a cap. The little HCG has a cap. Okay. Then we take our alcohol swab, clean the tops of all of our vials really well. And you want to make sure you do that every single time you fill a syringe, you mix your daily shots, whatever it is. Sometimes they have a little teeny hole in there, and I put the corner of the swab in there or drip it in. Okay, so that's good. Okay, next we have our mixing syringe. Came in a little wrapper. Okay, first thing you do with that is you're going to turn the cap clockwise, and that tightens the needle tip to the actual syringe so it won't fall off. Good job. Okay, so we got this all clean. This is full of air. You can't see it, but it is. So in order to make room for water, we have to remove the invisible air. I know it seems crazy and a waste of time, but it'll make it a lot easier. So I just pull back the plunger. I pull it back past the number I want. This is 5. We're putting 10 milliliters of water in this empty vial. This syringe holds 5 milliliters, so I'm going to pull that all the way up, give it some time to fill. Okay. Now we're going to push that air right into the bacteriostatic water. Now that creates pressure, so that makes the liquid come out easier. Look, the syringe just wants to fill up all by itself. Doesn't always, but that's a good sign that it's pressurized well. So we're looking for 5 milliliters of water. I'm going to go past the number 5, just in case there's air bubbles. Okay, that's the number 5. It's so hard to see, I know. But there's the line. Okay, tip it so then the tip of your little syringe, you can't see it, is in the air, and it just spews a little bit less, spewed a little. Okay, now we're going to push that needle into the empty vial, and then we're just going to push that 5 milliliters of water into the vial, and it goes in easily because it has room. Okay, now we're going to remove another 5 milliliters of air so we can make room for the next 5 milliliters of water that we're putting in. Okay, so once again I pull it past the 5, fill up, just imagining. Okay, we're going to push that air back into the water bottle. Push, 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 push. Tip it upside down. Fill up the syringe to 5 again. There's the 5. Okay, going past the number I want for air bubbles. I don't have any. So just want to line up the bottom. Okay, so that is filled to 5. Once again, tip it so the tip of your needle is in the air. And then all we're doing is pushing that rest of the 5 milliliters of water into this 10 milliliter vial that was empty. Okay, bam, step 1. You've put 10 milliliters of bacteriostatic water from this bottle into this little previously empty vial. Okay, next video will show you how to mix the HCG into this vial.